In this video, we are going to look at a way that you could find the GCF and least common multiple, the LCM, of two numbers. So here I have 12 and 20, and I'm first going to break them into their prime factorization. So 12 could break down into 3 and 4. Bring down the 3, that's a prime number. 4 is 2 and 2. So 3 times 2 times 2 is the prime factorization of 12. And 20 could be 5 and 4, for example. So I'll bring down the 5 because that's prime, and 4 would be 2 times 2. So here I have my prime factorization, and I'm going to look for factors that they have in common. So I call this Go Fish, kind of like the card game. So 12, I have a 3. Do you have a 3? Nope, so we don't share that in common. So we do not share the 3 in common. But I do have a 2, and so does 20. 12 has a 2, and so does 20. So the factors that they share in common are a 2 and then another 2. So what we can do here is then I'm going to make a Venn diagram. You might remember that from other courses that you've had, that you've done a Venn diagram. And I'm going to put the factors of 12 on the left and the factors of 20 on the right. So in the middle, of course, in a Venn diagram is what they share in common. So they share a 2 in common. So the 2's are both part of 12 and part of 20. However, the 12 has a 3 and 20 has a 5 for a factor. So now what I'm going to do is what they share in common, the GCF, is just the middle. So the GCF here is 2 times 2. So the GCF is 4. And then for the least common multiple, I'm just going to multiply all of the digits that I see here. So I have a 3, 2, 2, and 5. So for my least common multiple, I'm going to do 3 times 2 times 2 times 5, which then gives me a total of 60. So my least common multiple is 60, and my GCF is 4. So this is just one way to organize your work and thought process when finding GCF and LCM.